Everybody hi. Developing a new drug is famously slow and expensive. It typically takes 10 years and $2 billion to bring a single new medicine to market. This is because traditional drug discovery is a game of trial and error. Scientists test thousands of molecules, hoping one will work. Generative AI is turning this process from a lottery into an engineering discipline. The AlphaFold Moment. Biology runs on proteins. The shape of a protein determines what it does, whether it fights a virus or causes cancer. For 50 years, figuring out the 3D shape of a protein from its DNA code was one of the hardest problems in science. Then came AlphaFold, an AI system that solved this problem. It predicted the structures of nearly all known proteins, 200 million of them in months. Generative biology. But AI is not just mapping existing proteins, it is designing new ones. Just as ChatGPT generates new text, generative biology tools can design entirely new molecules that have never existed in nature. Scientists can tell the AI design a protein that blocks this specific cancer receptor but leaves healthy cells alone, and the AI generates a blueprint for a potential cure. Why it matters? This shift medicine from discovery, finding what nature hid, to design, building what we need. It promises to dramatically shorten the time it takes to create treatments for new pandemics, rare genetic diseases, and cancers that were previously considered undruggable. It gives doctors not just better ways to use existing tools, but entirely new tools to work with. Thanks for likes and sharing.